DAZONGE Halloween decorations. Creepy reaching hands. Eye-catching Halloween decor. Transform your home this Halloween with the DAZONGE pack of 3 wall-mounted creepy reaching hands. This essential decoration kit includes 3 life-sized hands, 3 lighted candles, 6 double-sided tapes, 4 screws, 4 drywall anchors, and a clear instruction manual for easy installation. Make your space truly haunting and set the mood for a thrilling Halloween experience. Realistic design. Experience spine-tingling realism with these life-sized horror hands. Featuring intricate details like visible blood vessels, curled fingers, and sharp nails, they add a chilling and macabre touch to any setting. Perfect for creating a frightful atmosphere, these hands will captivate your guests and leave them in awe. Safe, durable, and versatile. Crafted from high-quality eco-friendly materials. These creepy hands are designed for both safety and longevity. Ideal for Halloween and versatile enough for Gothic decor year-round, they can enhance any space. Whether mounted on walls or displayed creatively, they're sure to become a standout piece in your decor collection. Multifunctional Halloween decor. Installation is simple with the option to mount these hands using screws or double-sided tape. Use them to decorate walls, doors, and furniture for a spooky vibe, or repurpose them to display your jewelry, lamps, and more. Their multifunctionality makes them a perfect addition to your Halloween setup. The more hands, the scarier. Maximize the fright factor at your Halloween party. The DAZONGE wall-mounted creepy hands will undoubtedly send chills down your guests' spines. The more hands you incorporate, the more intense the atmosphere becomes, making your home the ultimate haunted experience.